Hi everybody, good morning. I have an inspection on the coolest house today. It's in Southeast Portland, in the industrial zoning of Southeast Portland. This is as urban as you can get, but this is one of the homes that was built once Portland incorporated the east side along with the west side, which was already incorporated. As you can tell, it's noisy. However, this house is so cool, I wanted to show you guys. This home was built in the early 1890s. It was around the time that East Portland was integrated into Portland officially. Some of the original homes are on this street. This is actually referred to as Firemen's Row because the fire station is just around the corner and the firemen used to live in these homes. Look at the detail with the painting. I love it. And in true Portland style, the fire station is now a cannabis station. It actually has a yard. This home comes with 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, and it's just over 2,000 square feet. And one of my favorite parts is it comes with its very own turret. How amazing is this? I love it. I find with a lot of these homes that you can feel the age, but honestly, this home has been so meticulously taken care of in its history that it's just beautiful. You feel the age, but in a positive way. And all the details with the stained glass windows is one of my favorite parts. I love that one. Thank you for joining us on this tour. One of my favorite things about selling real estate is when I get to sell some history. Have a good day.